Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to run a program automatically on startup in Windows. Click Start button and select Application. Right-click selected application, click Open File Location. Send to shortcut of the application to desktop. Right-click, select Run. Type shell, colon, startup. Click OK. Drag the shortcut of the application to Startup folder. Restart your PC to check your application is opening at Startup. Yes, it is opening automatically. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.